Okay. Here's the first video on the outside. Run during the fridge making on a kitchen maker side. Fridge freezer. Now this one is a Hoover. Inside here you got 67 litre capacity, so it's not very slightly large, but we haven't even filled it up with much things yet. You got your rack for drinks and things like that. You got one thing in meat, which feels really cold. And you know what I'm actually thinking is a piece of thing. That's actually a snow up there, and it's defrosting until the 25. Just look at the. We don't have a different there because this used to be an old elevator making. Now this, it's 203 litre. I actually forgot to show you the drawer quickly. Here you go, we'll show you the drawer. There's the model number. So I think this is an A++. I'm thinking this is a Hoover. The door doesn't work very well anymore because it's old. It's got 4 drawers. I can open this one though. Do this. Actually, 3 of these drawers full. Actually, all of them must be. I can't even get the door back. That's a third drawer. And then these 2 lay out too. So, 4th drawer. Also, that's it. That felt cold. That's the first video ever of the Hoover fridge freezer. I put it ready for making one of makers. There's the socket at the back, and that's it.